A taxi charges a flat fee of $5 plus $2.50 per mile. Write an equation that represents the total cost y for x miles. When I look at a problem like this, I'm thinking about what is a flat constant cost and what is a changing cost depending on how much you're using in this case. In this case here, it's how much we're traveling per mile. So our flat cost, that $5 is going to be like our y-intercept. Our b value is that $5. It's a flat fixed cost. It's always going to be there. This $2.50 changes per miles, which is written in x. So we have that as our slope. It's changing, our 250 here. So if I write this as an equation, I have my total cost y, that's what we're trying to find here, total cost y, is equal to, remember y equals mx plus b, a great little equation. Our slope, our rate is $2.50 per mile. So we take 250 times x, the number of miles that we're traveling here, and we have to always add that b value, our flat fee of $5. And so now we have an equation that shows this, well, scenario, our taxi charging fees. And it's y equals $2.50 times x plus 5.